What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be talking about AllianceBlock. Now, this is going to be a video about a lesser known cryptocurrency. Now, this one is actually ranked at 680. So this actually might be the most rare cryptocurrency that I've ever talked about. In full disclosure, of course, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I actually found them to be quite interesting recently, and I felt like I wanted to share it with you guys and talk about it. Similar to the Get Protocol video that I made previously. It's a kind of a rarer one that's up in the ranks of 500. Anyways, today we're going to be talking about AllianceBlock, a little bit about it, what it is, and a possible price prediction. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. So AllianceBlock is building the first globally compliant decentralized capital market, incubated by three of Europe's most prestigious incubators, Station F, L39, and Kickstart Innovation in Zurich, and led by a heavily experienced team of ex-JP Morgan, Barclays, BNP, Paribas, Goldman Sachs investment bankers, and also quants. AllianceBlock is on the path to disrupt the traditional market with its state-of-the-art, globally compliant, decentralized capital market. So that's just, a brief overview about what it is. Now, something also with it is there's something called the Prometheus Protocol. This is just in the white paper. The Prometheus Protocol is a comprehensive and layered architecture to facilitate cross-border transactions in capital markets in a completely regulated and compliant manner. So essentially, they're trying to be as completely compliant as possible because, they must know that cryptocurrencies and the entire market of cryptocurrencies in general are going to move towards a more regulated manner. So for them to be able to do this and be able to stay compliant with various different companies, but also allow easy cross-border transactions is something pretty interesting. And I think this is definitely a bullish point for them. So the Prometheus Protocol is comprised of the three following layers. Data governance layer to ensure that in-architecture data management complies with data privacy laws and the quality of data does not deteriorate over time or over distance. Cross-border regulatory compliance layer to ensure automated validation of transactions and their compliance with applicable regulations. So trusted legal entities add or amend transaction governing logic over consensus to ensure consonance with regulation. Securities issuance and lifecycle management layer to enable an end-to-end regulated issuance and management of the lifecycle of the issued digitized security. So this is definitely pretty interesting to take a look at. I also wanted to show you guys this, is that when it comes to the structure of AllianceBlock, it says we are focused on providing the highest industry regulatory and compliance standards. So the blockchain-based ecosystem and the backbone of the Prometheus Protocol, all the transactions between users, investors, issuers, institutions, and others are executed here in a secure and regulated environment. The ecosystem is maintained by institutional nodes that are responsible for transaction broadcasting, voting, and service provision. So I think one complaint that most people might have in this case is that it could be possibly a little bit centralized. So that might be something to take a look at. Now, when it comes to their Twitter, they actually have 46,000 followers right now. They're based in the Netherlands as well. And now, just again, a little bit about them. The AllianceBlock, or ALBT, is a blockchain-based ecosystem that claims to provide the highest industry compliance and regulatory standards. And as per the white paper, the platform seeks to deliver every network partaker a chance to create an ecosystem in a suitable environment and also earn profit from the network development and value appreciation. AllianceBlock aims to interrupt a highly controlled global capital market by applying the delegated proof-of-stake consensus model. AllianceBlock can actually be distinguished in the following ways. The AllianceBlock ecosystem, so all the trades between investors, traders, institutions, issuers, and others are executed in a regulated and secure environment. AllianceBlock data layer, traders, issuers, investors, data scientists, and other actors can collect, exchange, trade, and use data on the layer of data using controlled and compliant data privacy conditions. AllianceBlock Foundation. The foundation focuses on setting up institutional nodes in the preferable jurisdictions to create the ecosystem's backbone. So definitely an interesting project to take a look at. You guys might want to put it on your radar. Of course, this is not financial advice. Now, when it comes to the price action of it, it's currently ranked at around 4 cents currently, and it actually had an all-time high at around $1.18 previously. That was actually back in November, when really everything was peaking, November 12th. And if we were to compare it right now and say, okay, it's at 4 cents, and what would it take to actually get it to $1, right? Well, if it was, then that would actually put it to Radix, and Radix is actually a layer 1 blockchain that's quite interesting, and I actually might make a video on that one soon. So that would be at a $461 million market cap right now. Moving along a bit further, if it were that of the 50th position, for example, that of Huobi, that would be at 857 million of a market cap, and that would put the potential price to $1.86, or an upside of 37x. Moving further, if it were that of, for example, Internet Computers right now, so $1.2 billion, that would put the potential price to $2.57, or an upside of 51x. Moving further, if it were that of, for example, DAI, that would be $5.2 billion, or an upside of $11.25. Let me know where you guys think AllianceBlock or ALBT, the token, is actually going to go in the future. Quite curious. This is just, a quick video. I wanted to, tell you guys about this. Maybe you guys put it on your radar. It's definitely an interesting project, and it's definitely something that I have been taking a look at recently, and I think it definitely has a future in the ecosystem. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, do me a favor by minting me a subscription down below. Anyways, guys, all I got. See you guys later.